Hi there, this is Scott Duffy from softwarearchitect.ca, and I wanted to record this quick video to talk about the new announcement today for the new AZ-104 Azure Administrator exam. Now don't panic, there's nothing to worry about immediately, but there is a new exam coming in March 2020. Now we don't exactly know what the differences are between the current AZ-103 exam and the new AZ-104 exam. They have not released the syllabus for the new exam yet. As soon as I find that out, I'm going to be comparing them, and I'll probably record another video to talk about it. So we don't know the contents of the new exam. But what we do know is that, first of all, the exam code is changing. So the current AZ-103 exam will be retired, and a new AZ-104 exam will come out. It's going to be released in around March 2020. Microsoft has said both exams will remain offered for about 90 days. And so we expect that the new 104 exam goes into live around June 2020, and the 103 exam will be retired at the same time. They've also said there are no extensions, and so if you are planning to take 103, you probably have around 5 more months from today to study and take that test. That's plenty of time. Too much time, maybe. Now, some people said, oh my goodness, I just took this exam. What should I do? Well, there's nothing you can do and nothing you should do. The certification that you got, the Azure Administrator Badge, is still valid, and it will be valid for 2 years from the time that you achieved it. So if you just in the past year took the 103 exam, you've got nothing to worry about. Your certification is still valid, and you don't have to think that your certification has diminished in any kind of value. There is a 2-year expiry, so if you did take the administrator exam, let's say at the fall of 2018 when it first came out, the 100 and 101 exams, then you are starting to come up to the time when you're going to need to think about renewing. So if your certification expires this year, which many people do, then you may think about this new 104 exam as being a refresher for that certification. Microsoft has also said that there's going to be a new badge associated with it that will reflect the updated information. So kind of like, being able to show off on your website or on your resume, people will know that you have the new 104 certification, the new 2020 credentials, and not the old ones. Let's talk about a couple of common questions that I've been getting when I announced this in my group. First of all, most importantly perhaps, what's going to happen to the students who purchase courses from me? Well, don't worry, the current AZ-103 course will be updated to reflect the new 104 content. You will not have to purchase anything new. I've been maintaining this course since the old 533 days, and when 100 came out, I updated it, 103, I updated it, and now into 104. So don't worry, if you purchase my course, you will continue to receive updates. If you are in the process of taking this exam and you are going to take it within the next few weeks, you might as well go ahead and do that. Again, certifications are valid for 2 years, and so you don't have to delay your studying by, good 3 or 4 months in order to wait for this. Now, if your plan was to take this test much further into the year, then maybe you'd want to wait for the 104 exam to come out, just so you'd have that updated badge with the new credential reflected on it. So if you were planning to take this in the spring or in the summer, then I might wait for that. Anyways, this has been Scott. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates on any of the exam changes in Azure, and hit the like button if you like this video. I welcome you into my courses. I do have courses on the 103 exam, which will become AZ-104 shortly, and check the links in the description. Thank you very much, and have a great day.